If you are building a React app in 2026, you have probably heard of Next.js, but is this still the best React framework or have newer alternatives code up? Let's find out in under 3 minutes. Intro. Next.js is a React framework created by Vercel that helps developers build fast websites and web apps. It comes with routing, server-side rendering, API routes, and many performance features built in, so you spend less time configuring your project. What makes Next.js great? The biggest advantage is flexibility. You can build static sites, server-rendered apps, or fully dynamic applications, all within the same framework. It also includes the app router, React server components, image optimization, built-in SEO support, middleware, and streaming for faster page loading. Deployment is simple, especially on Vercel, and the developer experience is excellent thanks to fast refresh, TypeScript support, and a huge ecosystem. Any downsides? Next.js isn't perfect. The learning curve has increased, especially with newer concepts like server components, server actions, and the app router. For small websites or beginners, it may feel more complex than lightweight frameworks like Astro or simpler React setups. Some advanced features also work best when deployed on Vercel, although you can host Next.js elsewhere. Who should use Next.js? Next.js is a great choice if you are building SaaS products, dashboards, e-commerce stores, blogs, AI applications, or any project that needs a strong SEO and performance. If you are already using React professionally, learning Next.js is one of the most valuable skills you can add. However, if you are creating a very simple landing page or a small personal project, a lighter framework may be easier. Final verdict. So is Next.js the best React framework in 2026? For most developers, yes, it offers an excellent balance of performance, scalability, SEO, and developer experience, while alternatives like Remix, Astro, and TanStack start continue to improve. Next.js remains the safest and most complete choice for the majority of React projects. If this review helped you, do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI and developer tool reviews, and let me know down below in the comments. Which React framework are you using in 2026? Thanks for watching and goodbye.